Welcome. We want to solve for k in k raised to power 6 equals 9 raised to power k. Guys, let's say solution. But wait a minute. Can you find the value of k that balances these powers? But let's solve it together. We have k raised to power 6 equals 9 raised to power k. So from here, we are going to have this to be expressed as k raised to power 2 raised to power 3 equals, and this to be 3 raised to power 2 then raised to power k. This is product power law of indices. One number which is set to a certain power is again raised to another power. The powers are multiplied. So like we have 2 times 3, we have k raised to power 6, right? So and here we have 3 raised to power 2 times k, that's 2k. So from here, let's recall that if you have p raised to power m raised to power n, this is equals p raised to power n and p raised to power m, p raised to power n, p raised to power m. So applying this to this, we have 3 come here and 2 goes outside. So then the same with this. So we'll have k raised to power 3 raised to power 2 equals 3 raised to power k raised to power 2. So let's transfer this to the other side. So we'll have k raised to power 3 raised to power 2 minus 3 raised to power k raised to power 2 equals 0. So from here, you observe that we have the difference of 2 square here, such that if we have a square minus b square, this is equals a plus b multiplied by a minus b, right? So applying this to this, we will have k raised to power 3 plus 3 raised to power k multiplied by k raised to power 3 minus 3 raised to power k equals 0. So from here now, what this means is this equals 0 and this equals 0. So we have k raised to power 3 plus 3 raised to power k equals 0. That's our case 1. Or we have k raised to power 3 minus 3 raised to power k equals 0. So let's consider this as case 1 and this as our second case. So we have case 1. We have k raised to power 3 minus 3 raised to power k. This is equal 0, right? So let's transfer this to the other side. So we have k raised to power 3 equals 3 raised to power k. From here, we can introduce ln to both sides so that we have ln k raised to power 3 equals ln 3 raised to power k. So from here, what this means is if we have ln a raised to power b, this will be b ln a. So applying this to the above, we will have 3 will come forward, so we have 3 ln k equals, again k will come forward, we have k ln 3. So here, to make ln k the same formula, we can divide both sides by 3 and here by 3. This 3 will cancel this 3, so we will have ln k equals k ln 3 divided by 3. So again, if we divide both sides by k here, because we want to cancel this, we will have ln k divided by k equals k ln 3 divided by 3 divided by k. So we change this division to multiplication so that we have ln k divided by k equals k ln 3 divided by 3 times 1 divided by k. And this will cancel out this. So we will have ln k divided by k equals ln 3 divided by 3. So comparing either denominator or denominator, we will have our k to be equals 3, right? So our k equals 3. So that's for our first case. For the second case, that is case 2, we have k raised to power 3 plus 3 raised to power k equals 0. So from here, we transfer this to the other side as well, equals minus 3k, 3 raised to power k. And here we have k raised to power 3 equals, let's introduce I square here. So multiply by 3 raised to power k, right? So now we can easily introduce ln to both sides. So we have ln k raised to power 3 equals ln I square times 3 raised to power k. Applying the law of ln, so we have 3 ln k equals k ln I square times 3. So here now we can easily divide both sides by 3 and here as well by 3. This we cancel this. So we will have ln 3 ln k equals k ln I square times 3 divided by 3. Also, we can do something interesting here so that we divide both sides by k as well. So we'll have ln k divided by k equals k ln I square times 3 divided by 3k. So this k will cancel this, right? So we will have ln k divided by k equals ln 3 multiplied by I square, right? Divided by 3. So let's know this. So from here, we know that if you have exponential ln k raised to power minus 1, this is equals to what? K raised to power minus 1. Because this exponential, we can do this ln. So now, if you have ln k times exponential ln k raised to power minus 1, do you understand? So that like this, so this is k raised to power minus 1. So because this is ln k divided by k remains k raised to power minus 1. So equals ln 3I square divided by 3. So here we can multiply both sides by minus 1. If we do, we are going to have minus ln k times exponential minus ln k equals minus ln 3I square divided by 3. So here we introduce Lampert to both sides. The Lampert function, but before that, let's know that the Lampert function of a exponential a equals a. What we are going to deduce is this base and this power must be the same. So now here, if you introduce Lampert function to both sides, we are going to have the Lampert function of minus ln k times exponential minus ln k equals the Lampert function of minus ln 3I square divided by 3. But don't forget that I say when the base and the power are the same, we have to choose one. So that means that this expression will be minus ln k, right, equals the Lampert function of minus ln 3I square divided by 3, right? So now we'll have this. Let's transfer this minus 1 back. So we have k raised to power minus 1, sorry, ln k raised to power minus 1 equals the Lampant function of minus ln 3i square divided by 3. We have to do something interesting here. So by introducing exponential to both sides, if we introduce exponential, we are going to have exponential ln k raised to power minus 1 equals exponential the Lampant function of minus ln 3i square divided by 3, right? So from here now, we will have this, we cancel this, so we have 1 k raised to power minus 1 will becomes 1 divided by k equals the exponential Lampant function of minus ln 3i square divided by 3, right? So therefore we have, if we cross multiply and make k the formula, we have k is equals 1 divided by exponential the Lampant function of minus ln 3i square divided by 3. Guys, this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like and leave a comment and don't forget to share with your friends. Bye.